Hi, I'm Randy Reed. It's Today in Lighting, Friday, 17 July. We're sponsored by Lumini. Great lighting comes together through every layer, not one fixture. If you enjoy Today in Lighting, please hit the like button. Here are the stories making news. In a recent Business of Light webinar, Julie Dudley and Nancy Stathis shared practical guidance on what every employee handbook should include and what to leave out. They discussed how clear, well-crafted policies can help protect both employees and employers. Read on at designinglighting.com. The IES Emerging Professionals Committee connects early career lighting professionals and students with mentors, industry leaders, and peers through networking, education, and hands-on experience. Its annual EP Day program helps participants build lasting industry relationships while preparing the next generation of lighting leaders. Lightovation's Summer Edition welcomed lighting and design professionals to Dallas for new product launches, educational sessions, networking, and showroom awards. The event also featured Design Plus Build Day, highlighting industry trends and collaboration for architects, designers, and builders. DMF Lighting has introduced an 8-inch to 4-inch retrofit conversion kit that upgrades existing recessed housings to modern modular LED downlights without disturbing finished ceilings. The solution simplifies renovations while improving serviceability, dimming performance, and sustainability. Details at designinglighting.com. Yesterday, the Dow dropped 106 points. NASDAQ was hit hard. They were down 387 points, but in spite of that, Acuity gained $5.73. That's it. Go light up the world. Have a great weekend. Pray for peace.